Obviously, the answer is yes to all of these questions here at Muleshoe. The reason we sell pre-engineered metal buildings is because the guarantee. A pre-engineered metal building is designed and engineered to last. So our buildings are designed to adhere to the applicable building codes. A lot of companies will take your call, listen to you, and send you a quote. So with us, we really like to understand the reasons behind a project. And we feel like if we know those reasons and we can align with what you're trying to do, that's how we can really help you. How we do that is we have a detailed discussion about what the building's going to be used for, what the plans are for the project or the business, and then once we've put together a project plan, we like to go through that project plan with you in person. Regarding concrete and installation services, one thing that sets us apart from a lot of other building companies is that we do provide these services. So not only are we manufacturing our own pre-engineered building kits, but we'll also do the site work and the concrete construction as well as the installation, where some companies will only just send you a building kit. So they won't do the installation or the construction, where we will handle that for you if you want us to. So we're definitely a one-stop shop as far as metal building projects go. So when it comes to proof of insurance, we've got you covered there. That's one less thing you need to worry about when you work with us. Clear and transparent communication is a fundamental principle that we conduct business by. It is absolutely essential to the success of any building or construction project, and we take it very seriously. So there's nothing that gives our customers more peace of mind than a guarantee. And we guarantee our workmanship for a period of 2 years, which is double the industry standard of 1 year. In my opinion, any high quality company should be able to answer yes to all of these questions. So if you're thinking about purchasing a metal building, give us a call. We're here to help.